Hey, my name is Monty and I'm with Pure Country Fencing. And I'm excited to tell you a little bit about a really cool project that we're involved with as a result of the Jasper Park fire last year. One of the places that got affected was the golf course, and that's where we are today, at Fairmont Jasper Park Lodge Golf Club. About 20 years ago, the golf club was having a lot of challenges controlling elk getting onto the golf course. So they came up with what we see in the background. Now, this is the new fence that we've installed. Now, the original fence was actually a little bit lower, but what we did was we raised up that top rail so there wasn't as long of a piece on the top. So we raised that up about 3 inches. And so what that allows us to do is put 3 inches more into the ground. And as you can see, this ground, it's very challenging, very rocky. So we felt like if we could get 3 more inches in the ground, it'd make that post that much more sturdier. But also what it allows us to do is to maintain a 6'3" height. And one of the features that we had to, for this project, was to install these what they're using for wildlife gates. So if elk do get in here, staff can, open these gates and then gives a chance for the elk to regress outside of off the golf course. So these gates are pretty slick. You just lift that up and it just opens like this, and then you just push it closed and it just pushes closed automatically. There's also a little opportunity down here. If you want to lock that latch, you could. And then it's easy to go the other way too. You just open it from this side, like there, and it just opens up that way. So depending on what you're doing logistically, sometimes you might want it to go that way, other times you might want it to open outwards. You can use it both ways. When they had the fire go through last year, they also lost a section of 3-rail fence. So we're on the 16th hole of Jasper Park Golf Club. And just to show you the difference, I've shown you what the 4-rail looks like and the differences. The biggest difference is, well, this is only 3-rail, of course. These posts are originally 6'6", so they go on the ground about 27 inches. And as you can see, this is what the standard space is right here. That's typically around 10 inches, where with the 4-rail custom fence, wildlife fence, it's about 14 inches. So the top of this rail is right in around 4'1", 4'2", give or take. And so it's a really good fence for, in this case, around the 16th hole of Jasper Park Lodge, or if it's around your acreage or park or anything like that, it's a great fence. This is our best-selling fence in all the products that we sell, just because it's so versatile. And we're excited to have it, a section of it installed at the Jasper Park Lodge. And we're here to make Jasper great again.